When it comes to nurturing our plants, the thought of sweetening the deal with sugar water might sound unconventional, but this simple and cost-effective method can yield surprising benefits for your green companions. In this exploration of horticultural innovation, we unravel 10 amazing facts about using sugar water in plants, unlocking the secrets to fostering robust growth and vitality. Enhanced photosynthesis fueling green factories. Sugar, as a natural energy source, provides plants with an additional boost for photosynthesis. By incorporating sugar water into your plant care routine, you're essentially supplying your green friends with extra fuel to convert sunlight into energy more efficiently. Application tip: mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar per gallon of water and use it to water your plants once a month. Stress alleviation, a sweet respite for plants. Plants, like any living organisms, experience stress. Whether due to environmental changes or unforeseen circumstances, sugar water acts as a soothing agent, helping plants recover from stress by providing them with readily available carbohydrates for energy. Application tip: administer sugar water after transplanting or during periods of extreme weather to support your plants in times of stress. Improved root development, nourishing below the surface. The application of sugar water encourages the development of healthy root systems. The sugars act as a readily available energy source for the roots, promoting robust growth and enabling better nutrient absorption. Application tip: use a diluted sugar water solution for root drenching during the early stages of plant growth to stimulate root development. Microbial activity boost, sweetening the soil's microcosm. Sugar water serves as a natural stimulant for beneficial soil microbes. These microorganisms play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and soil health. By introducing sugar water, you're fostering a thriving microbial community that enhances nutrient availability to plants. Application tip: apply sugar water to the soil in moderation to avoid imbalance and encourage a diverse microbial population. Boosted flowering and fruit production, sweets for blooms and bounties. Sugar water has been linked to increased flowering and fruiting in certain plants. The additional carbohydrates provided by sugar water support the energy-intensive processes of flowering and fruit development, leading to more prolific yields. Application tip: start administering sugar water when plants enter their flowering stage and continue through the fruiting period for optimal results. Natural pest deterrent, a sweet shield against pests. Believe it or not, sugar water can act as a natural deterrent for certain pests. When applied to plant foliage, it creates a sticky surface that hinders the movement of pests like aphids and spider mites, helping to keep them at bay. Application tip: spray a diluted sugar water solution on plant leaves to create a sticky barrier against common pests. Improved water retention, sweet hydration solution. Sugar water can enhance the water retention capabilities of soil. When applied appropriately, it helps soil particles aggregate, creating a more porous structure that retains water more effectively. This can be particularly beneficial in arid or fast-draining soils. Application tip: mix sugar water with your regular watering routine to improve water retention in the soil. Accelerated germination, sweetening the seed start. For seeds just starting their journey, sugar water can provide a jumpstart to germination. The sugars act as an energy source, supporting the seedling's initial growth until it can establish a strong connection with the soil. Application tip: soak seeds in a diluted sugar water solution before planting to encourage faster and more uniform germination. Balancing act, a sweet symphony in soil chemistry. Sugar water, when used judiciously, can help balance soil pH. The sugars encourage microbial activity, which in turn can influence soil pH levels. This natural adjustment can create a more conducive environment for plant nutrient uptake. Application tip: monitor soil pH regularly and adjust sugar water application based on the needs of your specific plants. Budget-friendly plant elixir, sweet sustainability. One of the most remarkable aspects of using sugar water in plants is its cost-effectiveness. Unlike many commercial fertilizers and plant enhancers, sugar water is an affordable and sustainable option for both casual gardeners and enthusiasts. Application tip: mix sugar water using readily available household ingredients for an economical and eco-friendly plant elixir. Incorporating sugar water into your plant care routine can be a game changer, offering a myriad of benefits that contribute to the overall health and vitality of your green companions. From enhancing photosynthesis to acting as a natural pest deterrent, the sweet simplicity of sugar water is a testament to the wonders that can be found in the world of gardening. As you embark on this sweet journey, remember to observe your plants' responses, tailor your approach to their individual needs, and savor the rewards of a flourishing, sugar-fed garden.